Alright, so we got I guess which, well, I don't know if it's a snake bite, but had 2 holes. We don't have our patch kit. We got rid of it for some reason before the ride. But there's a hole just underneath here and then the inside. We also don't have any bubble gum. Bubble gum has worked in the past for other riders. So we're going to try this boot patch from Park Tools. It's just a really stiff plastic, but it's kind of sticky and tacky like a sticker. It's basically a sticker, but plastic. And we're going to put it in the kids' tube because we're a few miles from home.
It's this bike again.
If it at least gives them some distance before we air it up again. If we have to air it up every quarter mile, that's fine.
Inner tube is in. Tires back on.
This doesn't work on the screen.
This doesn't work. I'm gonna go and pack it with grass.
If it doesn't
And
work,
leaves,
I'm gonna
and
grab
mud,
the kid and
and
throw it on his
twigs.
face.
That was a fly or a mosquito or something.
And some sap.
Look like a jumbo 747
And it's gonna break
mosquito.
the bike.
Yeah, we have those
Something.
here.
Don't break your bike. Yay, money, bike.
This is our good air pump.
This is Crank Brothers.
Love that
Thing
one.
is stinking sweet.
Yeah.
This is so not sweet.
While I'm screwing this, we have this Crank Brothers pump. It does Schrader and Presta.
So easily.
Just that little blue thingy.
I'm gonna go over
Just
there and
swap it, and it does Presta. Otherwise, it's on Schrader,
And, it
and then
has
there's a gauge,
yeah, gauge.
double-sided.
And this is magnetic. So you can
What's-
just pop it right on, boom, ready to go.
It's only a one-way, but works pretty good, especially for little tires like this.
It's just a clamp.
Oh, I hope the boot works. If the boot fits.
Acting like it.
She's not sucking on the orange. I'm sucking on the orange.
Ew.
Hope this isn't a long video.
What
Trying
now?
to be
I like
funny.
oranges.
Hope this isn't a long video because I
Said that.
get winded from this single pump, and it's hard to keep it sucked in. Do I look thinner?
Yeah. Do you hear anything?
Ooh, I hear nothing.
Oh my goodness. That's awesome.
But
He should still stay off it though. And then we'll check it just to see if any air comes out. Because if he just rides it, it's just gonna act like move the boot around. I'd rather get mileage going home than here just playing around. Did it work? Did it work? Let's see. Let's see if it worked. Boop! Nope. Tire boot didn't work on a hole. So we're gonna have to get a new tube for it.
we need some gum.
Need some gum.
A lot of it.
Could try gum.
Blow this patch.
Alright. Just wanted to update you what happened. Bye!